Hello everyone and a very happy Republic Day. Welcome to TAV High School's podcast, Voice of Young India. On this proud occasion, as part of our English and social science activity, we are discussing youth, the Constitution of India and nation building. Youth are often called the future of India, but in reality, youth are also shaping India's present. So let us explore how young citizens are facing challenges and contributing positively to the nation. And for that, we have with us the students of class 9th and 10th, Divya, Chavi, Jeshtha and Khushi. So let us discuss what role does the Constitution play in strengthening democracy in India.
The Constitution is the backbone of Indian democracy. It clearly explains how the government functions and how citizens can participate in decision making.
For youth, the Constitution teaches that democracy is not only about elections. It's also about expressing opinions, respecting diversity, and accepting majority decisions.
I would also like to know your views, Jeshtha.
When students participate in school elections, debates, or student councils, they are learning democratic values in a practical way.
That was really insightful, and it brings to my next question. Do you feel that youth participation in democracy is changing in today's time?
Yes, youth participation has changed. Earlier, participation was limited to voting or rallies. But now, youths are participating through social media campaigns, online petitions, and awareness drives.
What are your thoughts on this, Divya?
However, many young people also feel disconnected and believe that their voice does not matter. This mindset needs to change because democracy becomes stronger only when youth actively participate in it.
Let's move on another important area. You mentioned social media. How has the digital age created both opportunities and challenges for youth democracy?
The digital age has given youth a powerful platform to express opinions and raise awareness.
For example, many youth people use social media to spread information about voting, cleanliness drives, or social causes.
But at the same time, it has created challenges like fake news, online hate and misinformation. If youth are not careful, democracy can be misused instead of strengthened. That is why constitutional values like responsibility, respect and truth are very important in the digital age.
Okay, now I ask another major concern for youth today is career pressure and skill development. How do these issues connect with the Constitution and nation building?
Career pressure affects the confidence and mental health of youth. The Constitution promotes the right to live with dignity, which include having equal opportunities to grow.
Skill development programs and vocational training help youth become self-reliant. When youth are skilled and confident, they contribute positively to the nation's economy and development.
A skilled youth population is one of the India's biggest strengths.
That's the great point. Okay, let me ask, in what ways are today's youth contributing positively to the nation?
Today's youth are contributing in many meaningful ways. Many young people volunteer for cleanliness drives, environmental campaigns and awareness programs.
Students participated in activities like tree plantation, blood donation camps, and digital literacy drives. Even spreading awareness about constitutional rights and duties is a form of nation building.
These small efforts, when done by many, create a big impact.
I completely agree what Jeshtha just said. Environmental issues are a growing concern. What role can youth play in protecting the environment as responsible citizens?
Youth play a very important role in environmental protection.
Simple actions like reducing plastic use, saving water and planting trees can make a big difference.
I'll come to Chavi for this one.
The Constitution talks about protecting the environment as a duty of every citizen. When youth take initiative, they inspire others and help create a sustainable future for the nation.
Okay, now I ask, how can youth help in maintaining unity and harmony in a diverse country like India?
India is known for its diversity in culture, language and religion. Youth can promote unity by respecting differences and avoiding stereotypes.
By celebrating festivals together, respecting different opinions and standing against discrimination, youth strengthen national unity.
This directly supports the constitutional value of fraternity.
Before we conclude, what message would you like to give to young citizens of India this Republic Day?
I would like to say that youth should not underestimate their power. Even small actions like staying informed, being responsible online and helping others can bring positive change.
If youth follows constitutional values in daily life, India's democracy will remain strong.
Those were truly inspiring thoughts. I truly appreciate everyone's honest views today. With this, we conclude today's Republic Day special episode of DAV High School's podcast, Voice of Young India.